If you are an agency owner and having trouble to finding out the leads for your business, then this secret tool is for you. So look at here. So this tool has the lead scraping available for the Google Maps, for the Facebook. You can scrape the data from the LinkedIn or even the Instagram using the hashtag and the keyword. You can use the Twitter with the keywords followers and the following to scrape the data. Then it has the YouTube with the keyword, then even the TikTok available, and there's also the multiple channels available. And the best part, all the data or the emails it is going to scrape for you. You can validate within the same platform. Let me give you a demo here. So I have used to scrape the data from the Instagram and the Google Maps. So you know it's really hard to scrape the emails from the Google Maps, but this tool let it happen. So let me give you a demo. So this is the email leads I have just scraped with the hashtag here in the United States with this hashtag, that is the SMMA. And here's the data. You can find out for all the leads it has scraped. It has given me the email with the name and their link for the profile. So it is actually pretty good here. So now let me give you a demo in front of you and the tutorial how you can use this platform to scrape the data no matter which platform you are looking for. So I'm going to use the LinkedIn here. Okay, so first I have to go to the platform, and after that you have to select from LinkedIn or the Instagram you want to select. So I will go with the scrape LinkedIn keyword, and after that it is asking you the keyword you want to scrape the data. So I'm going to do for the SMMA here, and after that how many data you want to scrape. Let's go with the 50, and here you can select the country. For example, I'm going to select the United States, and now you can see this is the option you have to enable if you want to validate emails and want to see if all the data it is going to scrape, whether their emails are actually the genuine or not. You have to just enable this option here, and after that you have to click on this search button. Now it is ask you to relax and wait for the result. So let me click here on the OK. Now it is running here. So it will take time, few seconds to few minutes to scrape the data based on the how much the results you have commanded. Okay, so once the data is scraped, it's going to also send you the email alert or the update in your email here. So let's wait, and after everything is done, that's how it is going to show you the leads data you have to export. There's the option for the exporting is the CSV and the XLS. Okay, so once the data is ready, you have to just simply click here to download the data in the format available, and after that you have to go to your Excel file or the Google Sheet and import the data. So simply how you can import that, first let me remove all this data from here, and after that let me go to the file section. Here I have to click here on the import. Let me go to the upload section and simply browse, drag and drop whatever the format you want. Okay, simply let me open this Google form, and now it will start uploading the file. Okay, let me import the data, and boom, that's how the data you have scraped using this simple file. Okay, now let me see how what is it showing me. Okay, yes, import data. Yeah, this is the data. Okay, now you can see out of these emails I have scraped or the Google map I have scraped, I got the email address, phone number, website name and the address. All these important stacks in this single sheet I can easily manage. Now based on my preference, I can filter out this data. So that's how you can use the Socleads. Yes, this platform name is the Socleads, and right now it is available on the AppSumo. So if you want to check it out this deal, the link will be given in the description. Plus I have also given out the free gifts if you are going to buy this tool here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Socleads with the tutorial and the demo. If you really enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the AI tools and the sales updates. I also do a lot of the comparison, so make sure you also check out my channel. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.